Hey, superstars, millionaires. I don't know if you have seen this post up here. Yeah. The distinguished governor Pitamba is doing an amazing work. And many will not understand what this means. But if you have properties within these locations up here, congratulations. Congratulations. So Governor Pitamba have signed the Land Use Act 2025, and all these locations now, all these lands up here is now urban areas in Enugu. So this means that these locations now you can now apply for your C of O, and there's nothing like land grabbing. There will be proper regulations, right, to make sure that when you buy land in these locations, you will be rest assured that no one is going to come and grab it. No one is going to come and grab it, because you can now perfect your document. So it's an amazing development, and I believe there is more to come this year. And anybody watching this video should go and check out Governor Peter Mbau's page and kindly follow him, because that man, Ode Kuku, but he's doing massive work. You all know that last few days there's a lot of work that have been completed in Enugu, which His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that's the Presdo, was live and spent today in Enugu. But we all know that Presdo Bola Ahmed Tinubu was live in Enugu to commission not up to 6 projects, and to be honest, I think for now the only governor that can compare Enugu is the governor of Abia State. Apart from him, I don't think there's any other governor. All of them are doing well, but when it comes to records, we know who's doing better, right? So what I'm saying is that if you don't have land in Enugu now, you're missing out. If you don't have investment property in Enugu now, you're missing out, because from now till the next 7 years, I think Enugu will be doing far better than Port Harcourt. I don't want to say Lagos, but I want to say Port Harcourt, right? Because you know the past 8 years, Enugu was doing better than Port Harcourt, but now after the last governor, a lot of things changed, right? But I'm not, throwing stone at anybody, but I'm trying to tell you that this is the best time to invest in Enugu. You know, you can invest with as low as 1 million naira, to buy a land. That's the least you can do. From 1 million to maximum 1 billion. So if you're in the diaspora and you're watching this and you're from Enugu, even if you're not from Enugu, you should invest in Enugu right now, because the return of investment you're going to get from now to the next 7 years is going to be massive. So I don't want you to miss out on this. So I remain the best real estate coach, the best real estate investment manager right here in Enugu. And my main goal is to help Igbos develop Igbo land. Okay? So if you're not following me, just click the follow button or subscribe to my channel. Okay? See you on my next video.